Hello everyone, this is class 6 chemistry video of lesson number 3, that is elements, compounds and mixtures. So as I have already uploaded 2 parts, this is part 3. Today we will discuss how are elements represented. Getting that how are elements represented, लाइक उनको हम कैसे राइट करते हैं, कैसे शो करते हैं. एलिमेंट्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट व्हाट आर एलिमेंट. एलिमेंट्स आर द सब्सटेंसेस दैट कैन नॉट बी स्प्लिटेड. इनको हम ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते बाय केमिकल मेथड्स. So he said elements are represented by symbols. You know this thing very well because up to 20 elements symbols you have learned. Elements are represented by symbols. For example, H for hydrogen, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen. And as you know that two letter symbols are also there that are used to distinguish between elements whose names start with the same letter of the alphabet. जिनके नेम कुछ एलिमेंट ऐसे भी हैं जिनके नेम सेम लेटर से स्टार्ट होते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसको सेपरेट करने के लिए वी आर टेकिंग टू लेटर्स, राइट. For chlorine it's Cl, for calcium it's Ca, magnesium and manganese. In magnesium we are taking Mg and for manganese we are taking Mn. But some symbols we have also chosen. Some symbols are chosen from the Latin names. Latin is a language. From Latin we are also taking some names. That is for sodium, right. As in Latin, sodium is known as natrium. So its symbol is Na, right. So and iron's Latin name of iron is ferrum. So its symbol is Fe. For copper it's cuprum. So its symbol is Cu. These are the different symbols that we use to represent the elements. So next, here some elements are given with their symbols. Those who haven't learned yet, they can learn. Next is compounds. Beta, in simple language I will tell, compounds are formed from the elements. When two or more than two elements combine with each other, when they mix with each other, they form a compound. As I told you that elements cannot be splitted, they cannot be breaked by the chemical means, but compounds can be separated. When we will separate them, we will get the elements back. A compound is a substance that can be split into simpler substances by chemical means. So here some examples are given. Water is a compound. The chemical formula of water is H2O. So it can be separated. It can be separated. When we will separate it, we will get hydrogen and oxygen. Because water is a compound and it is made up of the element, when hydrogen combines with oxygen, we get water. Similarly, carbon dioxide. Symbol of carbon dioxide is CO2. When we split carbon dioxide by chemical means, we get separate carbon as it is and oxygen also. See, carbon dioxide can be split into the elements carbon and oxygen. Getting? Sugar can be broken down into carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Salt can be split into sodium and chloride because the formula of salt, common salt, it's that we use in the kitchen, its formula is Na, sodium, Cl, chloride. When we split it, we get sodium separate and chlorine separate. Carbon dioxide, sugar and salt are the compounds. Getting? Here he has given us that compound is made up of elements. I told you that two or more elements when combined with each other, they form a compound. Next is elements chemically combine to form compound. Beta, this topic we will do in next video. Thank you.